Hello everyone, Justin here, and we're going to draw another Pokemon. This time we're going to draw Bulbasaur. So let's start by drawing the top of his head with a small curved line, and then his left ear. Just go up and pretty much straight down, kind of a pointy ear. And then on the other side then we'll draw his other ear, which will be on the other side of his head and down. So we'll continue the side of his head then right here, from step in a little bit and go down. Curve this out a little bit for the cheek and then start curving it inward. So here we're going to draw the bottom of his face, and it's going to curve all the way over here, kind of like below the ear here. So let's draw this line. Okay, so the mouth then will start here at this corner and kind of follow this line and then slightly go away from it up to about right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Start to curve a little bit away over. Okay, so the head's actually pointed, turned a little bit to the right, to the left here. So the center of the mouth will be right here. So the one side first is going to be a upward curve, and then it's going to go up again on this side and then up. Couple nostrils, couple dots, and we've got a tooth right here. So just a triangle and another one on the other side. So right here will be the eye. So let's draw the bottom of the eye with a curve. And this is a triangular eye. So from here we'll go up and then the outer part. So we'll draw the iris then with a curve. So he's kind of looking this way. And the pupil itself will be white. So we'll just outline it. And then we'll draw the other eye. Because the other eye is on the other side, it's going to be foreshortened, so it's not going to be as wide of a triangle. So we'll just draw a short line here for the bottom, and it's going to curve up and back down. Iris and pupil. He's got a couple dots, couple designs here, and I'll use a thinner marker for that. So let's go ahead and draw the right leg. From here we're going to go down and curve up. Go down and curve up, and the bottom of his body then will go right here. So let's draw a line that goes to his left leg. So from here we'll draw the leg going down this way, kind of pointing inward just a little bit. And now we can continue this line, and again we're going to curve this and up. On the back here then is the back leg, and we'll start here and kind of touch this line in a somewhat bigger curve. We can now draw his back coming from the ear down this way. Our target is right about here for the leg thickness. So let's start drawing it. And finish it off to form the back leg. And now we can draw the bottom of the belly. So here's the line. We continue it over to the back leg. Okay. Let's go ahead and draw some toes or some claws. Starting here, we'll just draw these small triangular shapes. And there's also another leg back here, so let's go ahead and draw that first. And then we can see one of his claws there. Let's draw the claws back here. They're going to be pointing forward. And over here. Alright, so he's got the seed and on his back. So let's start right here by his left ear. We'll just curve it up and up to the top. Draw a couple curved lines at the top there for the top of the seed. It's going to curve down and back onto his back. So curve and then curve the other way to his back. And we'll draw another curved line up here and draw another line just behind that original line. So we'll do the same thing up here by the front. So curve down and over. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw the details with my finer pen. So Bulbasaur has a couple dots here on his forehead. So let's just draw kind of like a long oval and then a diamond, smaller diamond shape right here, and a somewhat triangular shape right there. And he's got another diamond shape on his back and on his leg here, and a smaller one right there. And let's put in the shapes for his front legs as well. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go ahead and do a little bit of shading just to make this pop a little bit more. So the light in this instance is coming from the upper left. So I'll just shade some of these areas, like this leg, the bottom right, and right here. And I'm just using hatch lines. Hatch lines are just parallel lines. Give some shade. So by doing this line drawing can stand on its own a little bit more and shows some three-dimensionality to it. But I'll still color this later. So all of this part here under his head will be in shade. And that should pretty much be it. I'll do some shading as well with the color. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.